Yeah, so this one is the Nash Pictures. Tumetoka hapa. We are from this. Yeah, you see this stabilizer? We are from this. Now we are here. And as you know, this one, all these ones are branches. So this one is Ronin S. Ronin S, as you can see. So anybody who would want to shoot a professional video, a video that is so stable, you can contact us. You know, maybe you want us to shoot you or you want to hire. It is here, Ronin S. Ronin S. Those who know Ronin S, I believe you can tell them. And connectors are here. As you can see, you connect and you do your video. So it's the Nash Pictures branch of LTN. You know, LTN has branches. We are coming with different programs on the photo shoot, video shoot, graphic designs, posters, those ones, all of them, flyers, business cards, the Nash Pictures. Yeah, you can see screen kanyo endo. So ne ngata manyalo gombo timo shoot kanyo, wan gi gine ka, wan gi Ronin S ka kinene no mano en. Yeah, so you can just come, you hire or we do you a video. We have our own cameras. Yeah, I think you've been seeing how we are posting them from camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. In fact, the first video that we did with a very small camera. But as we talk, we've tried. Yeah, we've really tried. Yeah. So that one is it. It's there. Ronin. Ma koro inyalo shoot video kata kiringo, hata kama unakimbia una shoot tu. Yeah, una shoot tu video. Haina stress. Haina stress. So venye umeona, those people who would want to do a shoot, you can just contact us. We are always flexible, especially to our local artists. This is your time. If you don't do it now, then just know that you will not do it. You either do it now or never. Yeah, you just do it now or never. You do it now, say that now or never. So you know what to do. Know what to do. So it is this one here. I don't know whether you people are able to see it well. Yeah, that one there. So you can hire. We are always on. Yeah. If you wanna hire, if you wanna shoot with us, it is there. Ronin S. Yeah, so Ronin S is here. Yeah, any question you can put it there. we shall respond to it. Just give a comment for what you want to know about it, and then we'll respond to it. So thank you so much. We are still trying to ensure that we support our upcoming. If you are an upcoming and you need to produce your video, you can always contact us. They are here. We have lenses, we have lights, several things, and we've not reached that level. Yeah, we've not reached that level where we can produce maybe that complicated video, but we have hopes that we grow day by day. The other time I showed you the our mini drone, but we have in plan to bring other drones. You know, this is our mini drone. Our mini drone. Tireni en drone matin. Okay, en drone maduong. Our mini drone. En drone matin. Yeah, our drone is there. So, the upcoming artist. Magi kore sama inyalo wacho kaka idwaro to aneno kaka watimo, and then we move on. So those people who would want to shoot video for music, maybe you are a comedian, Tilak camera, and maybe you are in Nairobi and it's viral, we can always see a way of supporting you, because cameras are there. Yeah, cameras there, lenses, everything. They are here. So thank you so much for those people that have been there supporting LTN Luo Trending Nation. Thank you so much. The Nash Pictures is growing, LTN is growing on the other side, and we are also coming with another program, Luo Talent Search. So en mani koro lwetu ema pod obedo limited, ok wanya support fully, but kumwanyalo to will always be there for you people. Thank you so much. And by the way, one registration is going on iluongo ni LTN. Koro kidwa bedo gi LTN membership, which means ni in moro mora kigolo obiro bedo shared for kakigole. No, you need not to tell us to share, so long as you're a member. Anytime you've produced your song, you've released it, we'll always do. If you're a member, anytime you want a video, we'll always chip in. You get it? So to our upcoming artist and any other person that is there, and you'd want to be a member of LTN Luo Trending Nation, my numbers are always there. Contact me, I'll direct you on what to do. Then you become a member. And because LTN is growing so fast, those who are in charge of social, the arts and whatever, we are looking for you, because we want to do registration, right? Yeah, so that LTN to be one of the registered companies in this country. Thank you so much. And to our fans, I lack what to give you people. You've been really, really, really supportive. I know I know we have a lot of obstacles that we also meet, but on the other side, we have to thank you. We have to thank you. We don't always measure on the negative issues, and then we forget good things that have been happening. You people have been so supportive, you know. But on the other side, we are also doing our work. We are trying to push so that we also don't disappoint you. Jomono chako support LTN kapod wan gi simbe makoro sani wadonje cameras, sani wase donje ronin, and wabiro dhi kamano kaka piny medo dhi. We thank you so much. Med subscribe kapok i subscribe. Gik ma wacho go te ni a platform. The Nash Pictures ni a platform from Facebook, TikTok, any other place. Inyalo manyo The Nash Pictures. Ne jok moko believe gik mwaloso. Inyalo manyo page maro mar The Nash Pictures e Facebook. Inyalo ng'iyo some of the posters that we've been working on, business cards, and several things that are there. Wano wacho gi anatiyo gi evidence, atiyo gi gimineno. Wacho ni umari ere gimiseloso. Inyalo manyo kata mana some of the videos mwase shoot, wase keto background kanyo endo, maybe behind the scenes near The Nash Pictures e YouTube kanyo. Wadonjuru wa support. One kaka young people, we have to take the baton and go. Jok mono setelo nono seteo madongo na isedhi moko notimo matindo, moko also no fail, but it doesn't mean nika jogo no fail to wambe kono nyako fail. In team your best. Anytime me team your best, just be proud that I'm doing my best. And ngeni your best is not my best. Kuri nyalo timo your best to an pod arachi gi kumoro. You just do. Upcoming movie live kumwa, contact us. I'm always there for you people. And you know, I've been there for you, I've been there for you, and I'll still be there. Wamakre uru, wagere LTN bed maduong, ko bedo maduong, eka kata promotion be bedo mayot. Okni wanu dono promote, to uno ku promote wa. Ngato kelo ni thumbni, i-share, pok no subscribe LTN. Ngato timo ni timangoa, ene mukudho LTN. Like the other day, aero kijana mori lungu ni Chogo Jawi. Chogo Jawi, these are some of the upcoming artists ma waero seriously because temu tich maber yo Kisumu kocha. Tene inbox mar ng'ata koneno ka post gimoro. Ni neno ka kumari temore. Ineno kaka koro upcoming mago gik ma donje inbox mar ji gi thumi. Weri gi nying ji. It is still, you are above that. Ka in upcoming man give a show. So thank you so much. Jehova Madmed na ndalo.